Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is Manali Bhagat. I hope you all have subscribed my channel. If not, then please do subscribe and press the bell icon. In today's video, we are going to see A to Z fruits and few vegetables with its health benefits. So let us see.
A to Z fruits and vegetables. Our first alphabet is A. A for apple. Let us see what they give us. It is high in vitamin A. It is also high in fibers. It improves bone density and treats asthma. B for banana. Bananas are high in potassium. It is also a rich source of fiber. It is good for heart and it also controls high blood pressure and it is also helpful in overcoming depression. Next is C. C for carrot. Now, carrots are rich in beta-carotene, vitamin K1, potassium and antioxidants. Now, what do antioxidants do? They protect our cells against free radicals which are generated in our body after the breakdown of food. Now, everybody knows that carrot is good for our eye. Yes, they are very helpful and it also improves vision. Next, D. D for dates. Now, dates are rich in iron, potassium, vitamin B, copper and magnesium. It is also helpful in weight loss. It provides us healthy muscles and it also prevents osteoporosis. Next, E for elderberries. They are rich source of vitamin C, B6, iron, potassium and fiber. They have anti-inflammatory and antiviral properties and they also prevent us or our body from cancer. Next, F. F for fig. Now, figs are rich source of vitamin A, B1, B2 and vital minerals. Vitamins, the minerals which are essential for our body. It helps to lower the blood pressure. It reduces hunger and it also prevents osteoporosis. G for grapes. Grapes prevent us from cancer, heart diseases and also controls high blood pressure and constipation. It is rich in potassium and has vital vitamins. Next is honeydew melon, which is also known as meetha tarbooj, and it is excellent source of vitamin C. It also has vitamin B complex and potassium. It is also helpful in weight loss and it is also good for eyes. Next, I for iceberg lettuce. Now, lettuce you will mostly find in salads. So, let us see what does it give. It is rich in vitamin A, K and C. It is rich in fibers and also good for bones, skin and vision. That is good for eyes. Next, J for jackfruit. Now, jackfruit is a rich source of vitamin B complex, magnesium, manganese and potassium. It also helps in lowering our blood pressure. It fights against cancer, asthma and anemia. K for kiwi fruit. It is rich source of vitamin C. It also has antioxidants and fibers. It also helps us in lowering of our blood pressure. It promotes good heart health and sleep. Next, L. L for lemon. Lemon is a rich source of vitamin C. Again, it helps us in lowering of blood pressure. It reduces stroke risk and it improves immunity system. M. M for mango, which is rich in vitamin A and K. It has fibers and antioxidants. It reduces obesity and heart diseases and also prevents us from cancer and asthma and also from diabetes. N for nectarine. It belongs to the family of peach, so they look similar but they are different. It gives us vitamin A, K, calcium and phosphorus. It also promotes good heart health and improves our immunity system. O for orange. Now, oranges are rich in vitamin C, potassium and fibers. It prevents from skin damage and also prevents us from cancer. It lowers cholesterol, improves immunity system and promotes good heart health. P for papaya. Now even papayas are rich source of vitamin C and B complex. It heals skin and also contains antioxidants. It maintains our hair health and also digestion, prevents asthma and diabetes, prevents heart diseases. Q for quince. It belongs to a pear family, so they look alike but they are not same. It is rich in vitamin C, calcium, iron, potassium and magnesium. It is good for weight loss. It prevents nausea and ulcer. It is also good for our healthy skin and also controls blood pressure. R for raspberry. It is a rich source of vitamin A and vitamin C. It is good for our heart and our brain. Why for our brain? Because it helps the ability to think and remember things when we grow old. It controls diabetes and it is good for blood pressure and it improves digestion also. S for strawberry. Now strawberries are rich source of vitamin C and manganese. It also contains antioxidants and it is rich in fibers and it is also good for pregnant women. T stands for tomato. Now you will say tomato is a vegetable. No, tomato is a fruit and it is rich in vitamin C, A, K and B complex. It also has antioxidants and fibers. It is good for our hair, skin and also for bones. It prevents cancer and also controls diabetes. U for ugly. Now name ugly came from its brand name, that is ugly. It is a hybrid of tangerine and grapefruit. It is lumpy and the texture is very rough, so the name has come ugly. Now it is rich in vitamin C, fibers and there are minerals present in that which is essential for our body. V for Victoria plum. Now it is a rich source of vitamin A, B6 and high in fiber. It is also good for our eyes and improves vision. It speeds up our metabolism, that means it is also helpful for weight loss. It stops premature aging and increase our immunity. W for wood apple, which is also known as bel ka phool. It is rich in vitamin A and C and also rich in fibers. It is great for digestion and diabetes. It cures peptic ulcer and purifies our blood. It prevents scurvy and it is also good for our liver and kidney. X for Zigua watermelon, which is also known as Chinese watermelon. It is yellow in color and it is very high and rich source of vitamin C and A. It prevents asthma and breast cancer. It is good for digestion and controls our blood pressure. Y for yam. It is also known as kanda. It is rich source of vitamin B5 and vitamin C. It is also rich in fibers and protein. It improves functioning of brain, rich in antioxidants and it also improves overall digestive system. Z for zigzag wine. It is an Australian fruit which is also known as acid drop wine. It is a rich source of vitamin C and vitamin A. It has anti-tumor properties. It regulates our healthy skin and it is also good in controlling our blood pressure.
So guys, this were just few examples. I will come up with more such videos or part 2 of this video. Do let me know your views in the comment section below. Thank you for watching.